Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Corolla AC filter. This is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself, saving you time and money. First, make sure you have the correct replacement cabin air filter for your specific Toyota Corolla model. You'll be happy to know that for most models, no special tools are needed. Begin by opening your glove box and removing all its contents to clear your workspace. This simple step ensures easy access. Now, let's get to the old filter. On the right side of your glove box, you'll find a small damper arm. Gently detach it from its peg. Next, carefully push in on both sides of the glove box to release the retaining clips, allowing it to swing down completely. You will now see a rectangular cover. Unclip the two tabs on its sides and slide out the filter tray containing the old, dirty filter. Take note of the airflow direction. With the old filter removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully take the old filter out of its plastic tray. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow on the old filter or the tray itself. This is crucial for proper installation. Insert your new filter into the tray, making sure its airflow arrow points in the same direction, typically downwards, or as indicated by an up arrow on the filter or tray. Slide the tray firmly back into the housing. Almost done, securely reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring both clips snap into place. Now, carefully raise the glove box, pushing in on the sides to re-engage the retaining clips until it's back in its original position. Finally, reconnect the damper arm to its peg on the right side of the glove box. Close your glove box, and you're all set. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter, ensuring cleaner air and better performance from your vehicle's heating and air conditioning system.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.